Hello people, it's Yazdan here. Welcome back to Decrypts, the place where we will show you some hidden gems in the crypto world. So following this idea, I have brought you a new ICO project named as Jude BSC. So let's get started. So let me tell you what Jude BSC is. Jude is a community-driven fair launch DeFi token. Four simple functions occur during each trade: donation accumulation, reflection, LP acquisition, and burn. 2% of all transactions will be donated to St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. They are driven by a single goal: to do their part in making the world a better place for all. They strive to build productive relationships and make a positive impact with all of their pursuits. Jude is a community-driven fair launch DeFi token. Okay, the first interface look quite classic to me. Let's have a look at their roadmap. As you know, that roadmap is very essential for a crypto project, that the investor would know that what this project has done and what is it going to do next. So starting their roadmap, they say that they have been determined to make an impact. The core of their effort is to bring their teams fresh ideas and passion to the range of activities they are involved in. Through all of their endeavors, they hope to display the conviction behind their beliefs. So at stage 1, they did a website launch, develop social medias, create smart contract and verify that contract. On stage 2, they add team members, launched their token, early marketing, and did their first AMA. In stage 3, they start fundraising campaign, CMC listing, CG listing, contest and giveaways. On stage 4, the website update, partnership outreach, built a merchandise store, strategic marketing. Stage 5, they expand the expansion of Team Jude will occur, and a strategic marketing campaign, contest and giveaways, second fundraiser campaign, and second AMA. On stage 6, launch of merchandise store, schedule their community event and partnership with non-profit organization. On stage 7, they will get listed on multiple exchanges and do a charity coin partnership, contest giveaways, and host a community event. So they say invest with meaning. Jude BSE is available through PancakeSwap. I will show you how to buy it there. So buy Jude on PancakeSwap. Just come to PancakeSwap and connect your wallet to Trust Wallet or Math Wallet or any wallet you have. Select a token, a major cryptocurrency, a token which you have, BNB, ETH, BTC, any, and you can swap it to Jude. Enter the amounts and swap it for yourself. Easy. So they have mentioned quote of Helen Keller, who is a famous writer: "Alone we can do so little; together we can do so much." So they are building a big community to help out the children who are suffering from cancer. So they are organized. They have hosted a fundraising campaign. You can join it by clicking it here. I will leave the website. I will leave the link of fundraiser in the website. They have raised $7,000. They're raising funds to support St. Jude's life-saving mission of finding cures for children battling cancer and other life-threatening diseases, and they need your help to reach their fundraising goal. So that was up for the website. Let's have a look at their analytics. So let's have a look at their one-day graph. They are listed on Box Finance. As you can see, it goes from dip to top, and here it is with a super low price of 0 point a lot of 0 and 2758 something. So price is super low, and there are a lot of coins in the market left. If you buy this, and the price would increase, so the price will pump and you can earn a lot from it. Because price is super low, you can buy a lot of token. This is a hidden gem in the crypto world with 100x potential and a best opportunity too, and have a good use case because they are helping out the children, and good charity case here. 132,000 USD are locked in liquidity, which ensures that there are minimum chances of rug pull. The market cap raise is 248,000 USD. The last 24-hour trading volume is 23,000, and it have a gain percentage of 12.57% in the last 24 hours. It's going with a good pace. So let's have a look at the BSE scan report, which is a product of Etherscan, that shows that more than 19,000 transfers have been made on 1489 addresses. You can see here people are taking interest in it. The tokens are changing hands 24 minutes, 1 hour ago, 1 hour ago, and so on. So people are doing a lot of transactions. This address have 27% of the tokens. So these are the tokens that are locked in liquidity, and beneath it the 5% and 5%, 3%. So there aren't that much big whales in the market. As you can see, if this person who have 5% sell this coin, so it won't affect the market by that way that the market would fall. So yeah, so that was up for the charts and analytics. Let's have a look at their social media, that how active they are on their social media, or what events or AMS are they organizing, or are they transparent there or not. Starting with their Twitter is named as BSC Jude, and the tweets are 53. They are more than 2,500 followers. Their last post was 12 hours ago, where they say invest and help those who need it. So charity coin who donates to St. Jude Children Research Hospital. So they have their own hospital. That's interesting. So they are very active on their Twitter. The post before 12 hour was on May 17th, which was yesterday. So yeah, so they also have an Instagram where they posted about Let's Beat Cancer and their hospital thing, and other. Yeah, it's a big hospital, as you can see in the picture. So they have followers numbered in 18. If you want to stay updated, you can join their Instagram for yourself, and they have more than 2,400 members on Telegram. If you want to join it, just write ST St. Jude BAC in the Telegram, and you can join it. Get in contact with their admins and clear your doubts about this project, or anything you want to ask them, they will answer you. So that was up for social media. They have a couple of social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Telegram, Instagram. There's also a LinkedIn and YouTube. Let's have a look there. Yeah, so they have a YouTube channel in which they haven't posted. They have posted how to buy BAC. So it's the way how to buy PSC on PancakeSwap. So if you want to check it out, you can. They also have a LinkedIn where there are 3 followers. Yeah, so you can get in touch on LinkedIn too. They still have a small community as for crypto, but they are doing a good work, and the price is super low. A lot of token left in the market. For you can buy it for yourself, do some research. If you like it, you can. I just have to bring you the hidden gems from the crypto world, and I did that. Further, it's your choice to invest or not. Okay guys, if you like this project and want to know more about this project, I will leave the website link or in the description box, where you can check it out for yourself and do some research if you want to invest in. I have shown you on PancakeSwap that how to do that. So if you like the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Decremist, where we will show you some more hidden gems from the crypto world. And if you want to support us, I will leave the Binance Smart Chain wallet link in the description box, where you can send us your token or BUSD to support us. Thank you.